So in 13, we want to weaken this argument. And what we've got is a sample population, right? You got joggers who stretch, joggers who don't stretch, and the two groups have similar numbers of injury. Well, in order to say that stretching doesn't help, we would have to know that the two groups are the same in every other aspect, right? I mean, if the two groups are the same age and the same gender and the same experience level and the same medical is the word I was looking for, same medical history, then yeah, maybe stretching doesn't help. But we don't know any of that stuff. And if you want to weaken this argument, one way to do it would be to say the group that stretches, that's a group of people who are particularly prone to injury. Now, if that group that stretches is particularly prone to injury, and yet they only end up with the same amount of injuries as the other group, which was not particularly injury prone, then it sounds like stretching really is reducing the number of injuries. It's reducing it to a normal level, down from their particularly injury-prone starting point. And that is what D is saying to us. The more prone you are to injury, the more likely you are to stretch. So the fact that stretchers have the same amount of injury as non-stretchers means that stretching is reducing the injury that they would otherwise have if they hadn't stretched.